Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch 2 on Mac. While Blizzard Entertainment has not released a native Mac OS version, there are several effective ways to enjoy this popular team-based shooter. We will explore options that let you bypass this limitation, ensuring you can join the 5 versus 5 battlefield brawls. Whether you have an older Intel Mac or a newer Apple Silicon model, there are viable solutions to get you into the game. Cloud gaming is often the simplest way to play Overwatch 2 on your Mac. Services such as GeForce Now and Boosteroid run the game on high-performance servers and stream the video directly to your device. This means your Mac only needs to handle the video feed, not the heavy processing. You will need a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, for a smooth experience with minimal lag. Many services offer free tiers or trials to test performance. Another approach involves running Windows on your Mac. Parallels Desktop is a virtualization software that lets you install and run Windows alongside Mac OS, even on Apple Silicon Macs. This provides a full Windows environment to install Overwatch 2. Alternatively, Crossover is a compatibility layer that translates Windows commands to Mac OS, often offering good performance without a full Windows installation. Both methods require sufficient storage, typically around 100 gigabytes, and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM for optimal gameplay. Deciding the best method depends on your specific setup and preferences. For convenience and broad compatibility across all Mac models, cloud gaming is usually the top recommendation, provided you have excellent internet. If you prefer a local installation and have a powerful Mac, especially an Apple Silicon model, virtualization with Parallels Desktop or using Crossover can provide a solid experience. Intel Mac owners might also consider Boot Camp for dedicated Windows performance. Always check the latest compatibility for the best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.